Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Naomi Adrianne, and today I wanted to recreate a look that I did back around Christmas time. I actually went to this holiday party with one of my friends and I created this brown sultry smoky eye with a little bit of gold touches to it. And so today I wanted to pretty much recreate that look. I fell in love with it and I was like, I need to record this for you guys. I need to recreate this look. So that's pretty much what I did today, and I really hope you guys like this look. And if you do, comment below. Let me know what you think. If you decide to recreate this look, definitely tag me in it. If you decide to post it on Instagram or wherever, just let me know how y'all feeling, and thumbs up if y'all are feeling good today. I woke up this morning, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have a productive day. I'm gonna record a video. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be beautiful. You know, wake up and a positive vibe. You start your day on a positive note. Everything just slowly falls into place for the rest of the week. It's Monday. Today's Monday. I don't know what day it is that you guys are watching this, but today is Monday for me, recording this here right now. I'm feeling amazing. I want to put those positive vibes out there to you guys. So if you like this look and you want to see how you can get it, just stay tuned. And yeah. And there you have it, the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all my latest content. And if you want to get a little bit more looks and tricks and tips and just keep up with my day-to-day, definitely follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Naomi Adrianne. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget, forever and always, do you and be beautiful. Till next time.